And the question is, what are these marks for? Is it for like the body filler? Hi guys, welcome back. I think today we're gonna come straight over here again. I'm wanting to get at least to the seam here done, both down here and up here, and have an idea how to address this weak point through here on both sides and over there once we get the kick panel in. Talk about that and bracing. What I'm thinking about doing with the brace through here, talk about that too. Today's video might be kind of short. Like I said, just kind of grinding stuff down. Talk about this, maybe address this a little bit more. It does need some more welds in it. And we need to clean this up better and re-weld it. So we'll probably do that. And debating on welding on the back of this again. But anyways, let's go there and start grinding paint. But first let's talk about the welds and the brace. Kind of get them out of the way and we can really hammer down on this today. My thought is basically grinding this down all the way flush with this piece of metal through here, and then getting a piece of metal like this, which would be better looking, and spot welding it here on this side and stitch welding it all through here to kind of give it more surface area and hopefully give it more rigidity. Of course, we'll have to weld this on first and drill this hole out, and then we do the same thing on the back side. I don't know if you can tell over there, but it'd be just this corner. Get you around here. It'd be just from this corner here up and over here up. There'll be a strip of metal all the way to this piece here. Same thing, probably spot weld on both sides on the back. And of course it'll be all ground back down to metal with some weld through primer. Maybe even some other kind of paint to kind of keep rust from getting back there, and we'll seam seal all around it. Hopefully keep water out. That's my idea on that, because like I said, I mean, I can try to get through, but it's just going to burn holes. Like I chased this one all the way from down here up to here. So I kind of just want to grind down flat and kind of, I guess, bridge it with a piece of metal. That's my idea for these two sides. And it too would make that seam look better, but it'd be kind of weird seeing a piece of metal. I don't really know what it's for, but I can live with that personally. Now bracing for the bash removal, which hopefully I'll get to this weekend. I'm going to put a piece of angle iron all the way against this top part here. Run it all the way down to the bottom. Tack weld it on each side all the way up to give it a welder, to give it strength and some rigidity to keep it where it is. And I'm thinking about putting one across here and another one from like right here down to be like an H, and doing that on the other side. Would have done it today, but I don't have enough angle iron, so I need to go get some. But that's my thought on that. Let me know if y'all think that's a good idea or not, about how I'm bracing it, and if you think that'll work for this. I mean, everything's together, but just want to reinforce that area just in case. I don't know. But those are my thoughts. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. Good idea, bad idea, or if y'all have a better idea on how to do it, let me know. But I think I'll set you on my handy dandy camera stand, and we'll start sanding down all this paint. Like I said, up to this seam here. Kind of don't want to get too far. I don't know. I know there's about a lot of body filler on it, and this has body filler in it, which that is on the inside here somehow. Can't feel it on the back side. Anyways, don't want to take too much out in case I do really need it. So I'll just kind of skim over it and see what it uncovers. But I don't think we need it all through here. I think there's way too much. So at least get up to there today and straight up. Like I said, we'll grind this down with a thin wheel on the edge here and grind it all back, make it look nice. Try to make that look nice and re-weld it and hopefully not blow through it again and catch the Bronco on fire. All right, I think we made this look better. It's not so holy. And cleaned up that edge with that smaller blade. So this will fit, hopefully, pretty much flush against it, like that. So I think I'm gonna make a plate to go about right through here, spot weld it 3 or 4 times through here, and seam weld it here, and do the same thing on the back. Kind of cover that and reinforce it a little. But the whole thing moves when you shake it, so I don't know. The other thing is we started grinding this down. It looks like there's some rust up behind this piece, up underneath this lip here. Don't know if I can get it out. Might just have to try to treat it and let it go. And the question is, what are these marks for? Is it for like the body filler to grab to? Because it's some down here and there's some up here. There's none in the middle. Just some spot welds, which this one looks like somebody messed up or something. I'm not sure. It was raised and the hole is putty in it, so I don't know. And then right through here there's rust with the putty that got kicked out. It is all dry, cracked, and rotted. Or not rotted, it was just kind of like that. You can see, kind of peel it up, see the rust behind it. So that just reaffirms my goal of grinding this all down and seeing what it looks like. I think I should have the hinges in today, and we might go ahead next time and hammer the pins out and clean up all this scoring with that grinder. I think I make it look normal again. Hopefully. I'll do that to both hinges. Use my buddy's press and see if we can get those new ones pressed in. Once we do that, we can jump back on the door over here on the driver's side and get that all squared away. But I'm thinking before that I may pull the dash. So I need to get back here and fix these rust holes. One's right there by that screw. So that means I'm gonna have to, don't think I'm gonna pull the column just yet. I'm just gonna take the steering wheel off and just pull it out over it. But we'll get to that soon. But I need to go to work. So not much. Found some things, fixed a few things. That made that look better, and that looks pretty good. I mean, I'm not gonna complain. I think that'll do it for me today. Like I said, I gotta get to work. Let me know if my idea on this will work. You know, plating it up. And if you don't know what these marks are for sure, let me know. I'm not gonna grind them down just in case they are something that I need. But keep moving on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.